Ocean City may be known for summer, but weekends like this show off its creative side. The Delmarva Art and Wool Expo returns for a 3-day event at the Roland E. Powell Convention Center, and it's one of the coziest winter gatherings on the calendar. Now, in its 15th year, the expo features dozens of vendors, live demonstrations, classes, and hands-on experiences focused on fiber arts, wool, and handmade craftsmanship. It's welcoming whether you're a longtime maker or just curious to explore something new. What makes this event especially appealing in January is that it's fully indoors, warm, and easy to enjoy at your own pace. The locals often treat this as a relaxed afternoon outing, wandering through exhibits, watching demonstrations, and taking a break from winter without leaving the coast. You can find ticket details, hours, and everything you need to know in our Weekender blog. And just as a side note, people like you reach out to us every day looking for help buying, selling, or financing a home on the coast. If that's ever part of your story, just book a call or send me an email. I'm always happy to help. I look forward to seeing you in town.